recording? Walk with me, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Y'all know, man, my birthday. I keep walking with me, why you so far? Big 2-4 COVID year, man. So I went and bought myself a little birthday gift, man. Let me show y'all what I got. See keys. Tell her what's up with my car, bro. I just want to thank all 20 of y'all for subscribing, man. Because of y'all, man, I got the bread to get me in the whip, man. I went and got me a Hellcat, man. Take an ace of red eye on too, so you see that? Red eye. Yes, sir, man. It's a real N-word. You know what? I'm grown. I can say it. Well, I look rough. I'm finna get a haircut. But besides that, man, it's a real nigga holiday, bro. I ain't changed clothes, man. I don't know, bro. I don't care, man. My confidence on 1,000. I don't care how I look, man. Y'all still gonna rock with me. I'm still handsome at the end of the day, so y'all know what's up. I'm trying to start this year. This year I'm trying to be better, man. Like, I want to keep pushing myself to be better, like continue to grow. Like, I'm trying to elevate, man. That's all, bro. Like, I can't keep doing the same shit, man. Like, I'm trying to run it up, bro. So, yeah, I'm finna start going to the gym. Finna start hooping again, man. Like, gotta occupy my time more, be active. Finna go ahead and go to the gym this morning, put some work in. I have no idea how this day gonna go. Like, I don't have no plans, man. Like, everything I'm doing today is like gonna be like random, like on the spot. Man, everybody blowing my phone up, calling me and texting me and shit. I don't know, bro. Like, I'm not used to this, man. Like, I'm not saying ain't nobody there for me, but y'all know how it is, man. Like, you don't really feel love until it's your birthday, because that's when everybody shows it at once. I got people reaching out to me that never reached out to me before. Like, or y'all been there throughout the whole year. But I don't know, man. I appreciate all the love, bro. Like, I like it, man. I wish I could feel like this more often. Damn. Man, I don't need no ball. I'm finna just pull up, give niggas the work. I really hope they got a ball, because I don't got one. Looking at it. They playing that, bro. Damn. Boy, it's gonna be a long ass day. It's only like 11 o'clock, and I've been doing hella shit already.
Okay.
You feeling better?
Yeah, but I'm in pain.
Tell them to give you something.
She coming in to give me something.
Just hang in there and just eat some ice cream or something. Tell them to give you some ice cream.
Oh, damn ice cream. Oh my God, don't make me laugh. All right.
All right.
Bye.
Mama a soldier, man. She in the hospital on my birthday. Still thugging though, man. I'm leaving the gym now. I gotta go to the crib, eat a little breakfast real quick before I head out, cause I'm low-key starving like a motherfucker. Yeah, man, this is a little birthday gift to myself. I've been saying I want to get a gym membership for a while now. I just been procrastinating. All right, so we at the spot, man. The little barbershop I be going to. It's called Metro Design, man. Right here in U City. But I had met bro on the little cut app I was telling y'all about. Y'all asleep, man. Y'all can find any barber in St. Louis on there. But I found him on the app, and I've been coming to him for a little minute, man. He cold as hell. I ain't gonna fake it. But yeah, he's trying to shoot, man. I remember I told y'all last time. So today we're finna go ahead and vlog me, get my haircut, chop it up with bro real quick. It's gonna be cool, man. Hey, what up, dog?
Chilling, you doing alright?
Say, vlogging right now, man.
Okay. What's up then?
Say.
What's going on?
It's hard.
Damn, this shit hard. This shit is it right here.
Yeah, you can set up however you want. Okay. First, only time y'all gonna see me without a do-rag. If I ain't got a cut. Y'all better save it. I don't be taking too many selfies.
Well, I mean, you know, a little video showing like, yo, you know, you gotta hit them with the...
Alright, bet I got you. Got focus. There you go. It's clean, man. Sir. Well, my barber cold as hell, man. Stop playing. That's where I get my haircut at, man. So hit up bro, man. Tell him get at. Tell him Cortez sent you, man. Getting clean out here. For the next part of the day, I still have no idea what I'm doing. I'm probably finna go get some food and go to the crib and chill, edit some videos. I know it's my birthday, but we still gotta work today, man. Still gotta get shit done. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Like, only thing I want for my birthday, bro, just give me some, just subscribe, bro. If you ain't gonna subscribe, like, I'm really trying to blow up on this YouTube stuff, literally, y'all know, man. Like, I got big plans in store, but I know, I'm not even, like, mad at, like, nobody liking and subscribing, because, like, I know y'all watching, I know y'all see me, like, I got y'all attention, bro, I know I do, but, like, y'all just, for some odd reason, y'all won't f with me, y'all ain't gonna, like, take that extra step, and I get it, too, because you gotta sign in and do some extra shit, but, like, it take like 2 minutes, bro. Like, that's all it take, like. But I get it, man. I get it, I do. So that's why I ain't mad, bro. Yeah.
You gotta do this time.
Do what?
You get the door.
MILFs.
You said what?
I said, you like MILFs?
Hell yeah. Sexy as hell.
You know, if you become a dad, you're gonna become a dilf. That's what they call it.
I ain't never heard that shit in my life, dude.
That's good, dude.
You know what I'm saying, man? I'm trying to pop out with a bad bro. That's a whole move. Damn. Damn. You said what? What you nervous for? It's gonna be fun.
Man, show you some
Yeah, record me.
Where we at,
Poppin',
man?
We finna hit this escape room real quick, bro.
Escape room?
Yeah, we got an hour to get out or the killer gonna come kill us. We finna lock us in the basement and shit. And I can't even show y'all because we can't have our phone on there, so I gotta put it in the locker, but show.
How you feeling right now?
That I'm thugging, man, you know what I'm saying? Cold as hell outside.
How you feeling about this?
Shit. We gonna figure this out, man.
Hey,
You know, if I'm in there, we gonna get home safe.
man, you think we're gonna get out?
Yeah, man. If we put our heads to it, goddamn, we gonna get in and get out.
No, we ain't getting out, bro.
Better watch out for that boy and dragging that axe.
Boy, cause you dumb.
Man, we gonna be good.
These hella stairs, goddamn. Shit. the fit, man. I gotta get some pictures, bro.
What your shirt say?
Oh, you know what I'm saying? Because you know I like them milfs. This was a cool little spot, man.
That one's probably better out. It looks like this one's a lot. Phones and cameras for everybody.
Hey. Man, we did not make it out of there, bro. We made it all the way to the last room. On some bullshit. And lost. Finally back at the crib, man. Hit the escape room. They took our phones, man. We couldn't even have our phones on us. I couldn't vlog it or nothing. It was a cool little birthday, man. Today was hard, but I ain't gonna fake it. Yeah. Kill that shit, man. Everybody popping up, going outside, getting drunk and shit. Did my own thing, man. Y'all know we do the most random shit ever. I drove past and seen this bullshit, man. I had to pull over. Look at this. They got a spoiler on that mug, boy. What do you think he is? What if they was in there?
Emmy.
I ain't got cream seat. That's hard. They shouldn't have put that spoiler. I might want that color. Boy, this mug so hard. On me. Boy, I'll push this mug. You can't tell me this ain't me. What? Might have to. Imagine I come down the street whipping this mug. You know I had to count the brand new 2021 hit red. Oh shit. Cut. let me get a thumbnail. I'm scared to sit on the hood.
Thumbnail?
I look hard. It look hard?
Yeah.
You gotta take the picture, just keep recording.
I know I am.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Alright. Just playing, that ain't my car though, bro. You give me like 2 more years and I swear I'm gonna have it, man. Like, from the grind as hard as like, why y'all be so far back? Were you way back there? You gotta walk in front of me.
What if I end up tripping?
You ain't gonna trip, man. What you tripping for?
The lighting perfect out here.
For real. The light busting.
Mm-hmm.
But make sure y'all subscribe, man. Subscribe to your boy, who is Cortez, man. If y'all ain't rocking with me, y'all gotta rock with me now. I'm back.